T. So far this year, you have only used me to create a paragraph open response in English. But this time, we are going to teach you today how to use me to create a science conclusion. This is what I look like for science. Notice I have a red head and red feet. Then there are 3 green boxes down my right side, your left, and then blue and yellow, blue and yellow, blue and yellow. I am similar in structure to English, but specific to conclusions.
Okay, kids. Now, let's look at an example of a conclusion paragraph written using me. Notice that the top sentence is red because that's the information that goes in my head. That's when I say or restate what the question was. This experiment investigated, and that's where it goes. Next up, in green, I write down or restate my hypothesis. It was predicted, and then I get to say if it was accepted or rejected. In blue, I state my quantitative data, which says that I say my numbers again. And finally, I explain why I got the numbers I got. For instance, why did the plane with the paperclip fly farther than the plane without the paperclip? The next 2 green spaces are where I record possible errors that could have been made during the course of the lab. And then the corresponding blue and yellow on each side have to do with how can I improve that error? How could I fix it in the future? And why is it important to fix that error? The final box at the bottom at my feet is where I answer my original question. I say what the lesson was that I learned. So I conclude at the feet in red.